Welcome to Codento AI.cast on the theme Smart Operations. This is our third episode, Predict and Lead with Transparent Data. I am Anthony Tusanski, CEO of Codento, your AI.cast host, and a seasonal cover band drummer. Google has identified the following top use cases of generative AI and data for companies operating in the manufacturing and telecoms sector. For example, you can monitor events generated by machines to reduce unplanned downtime, optimize operations, and maximize utilization. You can automate your customer or employee services to provide an easy, informative, conversational, and value-adding experience. Searching documents and automatically generating new, personalized content from them is an interesting scenario for most, if not all, organizations. According to Google, telecom companies could plan and operate their networks more efficiently by analyzing and predicting performance, faults, inventory, and anomalies with AI. Every company is a software company nowadays. With AI, you can generate test or code scripts and use real-world experiences and data to optimize them. And lastly, according to Google, any company could optimize the use of suppliers by automatically selecting the most suitable ones based on relevant criteria and by automating contract negotiations with them based on earlier data. So the potential of AI is great for any organization running extensive operations around manufacturing, networks, or services. In this episode of AI.cast, Google's Tero Vainio will share how to predict and lead operations with Google's Manufacturing Connect and Data Engine. Codento's customers will share how they use AI, data, and analytics to serve their customers better and make better business. So let's dive into modern AI technologies for smarter operations.
Fustems is a leading supplier of automation systems. We provide complex systems with multiple devices and device brands combined into one automation system. The role of data in our business is all the time growing because to be able to serve our customers most efficiently and also provide them products that really help them, we need to understand our customers, how they use their systems and also what are their needs. Our systems produce a large amount of log data all the time, and usually we utilize only a small part of the log data for troubleshooting purposes. So if there is a problem situation in a system, we can fetch the logs to manually go through them and see what has happened in there. But we thought that there must be more potential in the log files because we have a large amount of data to see how the system works. With very quick pre-study with Codento, we were able to see that we can actually get quite much insight of the log data about how the systems are used. Implementing a log analysis tool, which combines together different log files to generate a timeline of the events in the system, which can then be utilized in troubleshooting, but also to see how our customers utilize our systems. Normally, our customer support has been going through manually the log files, each file by their own. So by combining together the timeline of the events, we can easily find where the problems in the issues has happened, and then we can look into more detail about that. And in the future, we can potentially also utilize the data into giving them more insight about the problem itself. Based on my experience, the tips that I would give for other people trying to get started with utilizing data would be that don't be afraid to start with something that you already got. You don't need to have perfect datasets and perfect use cases ready, but you can be open to new ideas during the way and also get help if you don't have the data understanding in the company yet.
Google has developed intelligent manufacturing portfolio that includes, for example, Manufacturing Connect, Manufacturing Data Engine, and several AI-powered use cases on top of that platform. The solution is targeted for manufacturing and industrial customers, but it also caters for the specific needs, for example, process industry customers. Many traditional manufacturing companies have dedicated production machinery and equipment in their plant environments and factory environments. Some of those are fairly outdated and mechanical as such. They don't necessarily give a lot of data and information as such built in, and hence, for example, the Manufacturing Connect helps those customers to easily add sensors and connect them to a cloud platform in a scalable, systematic, and also very easy to deploy and cost-efficient manner. Customers have typically connected some of their factories to the broader data platform capabilities and introduced AI use cases on top of those. But the challenge has been that they have been implemented on a factory or production line basis. So they haven't been able to really easily scale that process and operation across all of their factories, across all of their operations. Manufacturing Connect has more than 250 most used machine protocols built in out of the box. And in essence, it helps the manufacturing companies then to easily connect those machineries and those data sources to the more intelligent data platform and start really using and deploying that data. One of the earliest and biggest public reference customers has been Ford Motor Company that has deployed Manufacturing Connect and Manufacturing Data Engine as part of their digital manufacturing process already some time ago. And they started with one pilot factory in US, and now they have expanded to other factories as well. Manufacturing Connect both securely transfers the data from their production lines and machines and different assets to Google Cloud data platform in a systematic, private and secure way. And in addition, Manufacturing Connect and Data Engine also enables Ford to drive certain AI use cases on site in their factories, utilizing the models that are developed on top of the Manufacturing Data Engine. So things like visual quality control, things like preventive maintenance, etc., can be deployed in production also in the factory environment. Sustainability is one of the criteria what customers are using when selecting the cloud platform. We at Google Cloud, we take sustainability extremely seriously and are proud of our investments in that domain. Google Cloud's data centers are the most sustainable in the industry when using the power utilization efficiency figures. Our customers can easily see their own Google Cloud service CO2 emissions directly from their cloud console. We are sustainable and we help our customers to be sustainable as well. Our recommendation for any company interested on Manufacturing Data Engine is to contact Codento, request a demonstration, and then start planning for a pilot project for one particular factory environment. That takes roughly 4 to 8 weeks, and then after that you can plan for replicating or scaling that across all of your manufacturing facilities.
That was super inspiring. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Google definitely has thought out how to capitalize the value of data to realize true smart operations. The next episode of AI.cast is also soon here. We will be moving into the topic of next-gen foundation. Robust cloud and data platforms and a modernized application portfolio are something that every organization needs. This prepares you for the AI and data innovations of tomorrow. If building a solid ground for your AI and data strategy is a topic of interest to you, don't worry. If you have subscribed to Codento AI.cast at codento.com, We will notify you by email when new episodes are available. To proceed with your organization's most lucrative AI scenarios for smart operations, book a free AI value workshop at Codento.com. So, see you soon and thanks for watching.